the true cost of a building that has roof leaks. It's not just the roof. It's all the damage and the stress on the underside. Not only is it electronic equipment, not only does it force students to be evacuated from schools and relocated, but it's also the interior damage. It's going to be drywall, it's going to be mold, it's going to be the abatement. When you add up all those costs and all that burdens, that one little roof leak that's on your building could be astronomical. And unfortunately, when a roof leaks, you have to do all of that work because it's required by the health code, and it's also mandatory to stop the spread of moisture. And it's all due to one roof leak. So it's crucial that the roof system that you choose on your building is waterproof. It's crucial that that roof has redundancy to it. It's crucial that the money that you spend, that you actually get a roof system that's designed to last. Now, there's not too many roof systems that are out there that are designed to be triple redundant. Most coatings are nothing more than a Band-Aid to put over an existing roof. Most repair products don't work. Most roof systems are down to a single ply. WeatherWeld is a 1/4 of an inch thick. One seamless piece from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain with fail-safes that are built in at every penetration, because the goal is you treat your roof like a bathtub. You weather weld your roof, and it's durable enough with enough redundancy that it's designed to eliminate roof leaks for the life of your building.